stop. Before you spend $600 or more on NEBOSH, listen carefully. Because choosing the wrong safety certification could cost you months of job hunting, thousands of dollars, and missed opportunities. And here's the harsh truth most foreign safety professionals don't realize. In the United States, one certification gets you hired. The other might just be an expensive piece of paper nobody asks for. If you're planning to work in America, this decision matters more than your resume. Today, we're breaking down NEBOSH IGC versus OSHA 30, cost, difficulty, and most importantly, which one actually puts money in your pocket. Let's get straight into it. First, NEBOSH IGC, the International General Certificate. It's a British standard, huge in India, the Middle East, UK. It focuses on safety management systems, theory, and global best practices. It sounds impressive, and honestly, it is. But here's the catch. It's not built for the United States job market. Now compare that with OSHA 30. This is not theory. This is US law. Federal regulations, Department of Labor rules, real job site requirements. It teaches you exactly what inspectors check, exactly what contractors follow, and exactly what employers expect you to already know. Without OSHA knowledge, you're not just inexperienced. You're a liability. And American companies don't hire liabilities. But here's where people mess up. They think, NEBOSH is harder, so it must be better. In the US, that logic usually costs you the job. Let's look at the numbers. Round 1. Cost. OSHA 30 is cheap. You can complete it online for about $160 to $180. That's it. NEBOSH? $500. Sometimes $800. 4 times more expensive. Before you even apply for a job. So already, you're spending more. Round 2. Time and difficulty. OSHA 30 takes 30 hours. You can finish it in 4 days. Watch the lessons. Pass the quizzes. Done. NEBOSH? 80+ study hours. Weeks of preparation. Heavy textbooks. Long written exams. And many people fail the first attempt. So now you're spending more time, more money, more stress. But here's the round that actually matters. Round 3. Jobs and salary. In the United States, entry-level safety officers typically earn $60,000 to $70,000 per year. Some even higher in construction and manufacturing. But here's the part nobody tells you. Most of those job postings literally say, OSHA 30 required, not preferred. Required, meaning without it, your application doesn't even get opened. And if you only have NEBOSH, the company still has to train you in OSHA regulations anyway. So why would they hire you when another candidate already has OSHA 30? They won't. It's that simple. So here's the verdict. If you're moving to the US, starting your first safety job, or working in construction, OSHA 30 is not optional. It's your ticket in the door. It's the license to work. Get this first. Always. Now, NEBOSH isn't useless. If you're targeting Dubai, oil and gas, international companies, Europe or India, NEBOSH is powerful. But for the average American job site, it's overkill. Most site managers don't care about international theory. They care about OSHA Part 1926, because that's what keeps them out of lawsuits. So don't waste $600 chasing the wrong certification. Be smart. Spend $160. Get OSHA 30. Get hired faster. Start earning sooner. Then upgrade later if you need to. Because the goal isn't collecting certificates. The goal is getting paid. If this helped you make the right decision, hit like. Subscribe to HSEstudy. And check the description for trusted OSHA 30 providers. Stay safe and I'll see you in the next one.